Meet the impressive 2026 Ford Maverick Lariat all-wheel drive. Dressed in a clean Oxford white exterior with a sophisticated Black Onyx interior, this truck is powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission. Top features include a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen, a premium B&O Audio System, and a heated steering wheel for those chilly mornings. You also get the comfort of heated front seats and the convenience of a 360-degree camera. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you looking for a truck that is as versatile as your life in the Fraser Valley? Whether you're navigating the streets of Abbotsford or taking a scenic drive through Mission, the 2026 Maverick Lariat is designed to stand out and deliver. This model features the Black Appearance Package, which adds striking 19-inch black-painted aluminum wheels and 225/55 R19 tires. For those who enjoy the outdoors, the power moonroof and power sliding rear window bring the beauty of British Columbia right inside the cabin. Capability is at the heart of this vehicle, featuring the 4K tow package and a conventional spare tire, making it ready for your next haul. Safety is also a priority, with front and rear park sensors, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. You'll also find practical exterior details, like the pickup box LED lighting, power tailgate lock, and mirrors with dual power heat. A question we often hear is, what makes the interior of the Maverick Lariat so functional? According to the details of this vehicle, the interior is packed with smart storage and technology. It features a second-row bench flip-up seat with under-seat storage, an 8-inch productivity screen, and dual-zone electronic air conditioning. For added convenience, it includes intelligent access with push-button start, remote keyless entry, and dual rear USB ports to keep everyone's devices charged. Plus, with floor liners included, you can keep the interior clean no matter where your Fraser Valley adventures take you. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.